Hi everyone, my name is Little Jersey. Sorry about the last time I posted like 5 seconds ago. I didn't get a full video, but I'm going to show you how to make the flowers for this crown and how to make the headband. Just to do is you grab some elastic strip band of fabric, and if you got this elastic, like you can buy some elastic strap. For the flowers, it's going to be a little bit difficult. So you can do big flowers and just different sizes. You need a lot of yarn. You're going to need a lot of yarn too. So what you're going to, where did my pen go? You're going to grab your pen. It's a small flower. About very tiny flower for the back. Just going in the back of your headband. Going to even it out evenly. So I'll wrap it. Or you can just, my trick is, if you don't, it doesn't have enough wrap, make it a little bit uneven. So I'm just gotta make it uneven. If you know what I mean. Just gonna wrap it. Same content with the big flower, just gonna be more strand bigger the flower is. Just wrap it. Wants to work. Grab your hand, pinch it, make sure it's coming done. It came undone, so I'm gonna try something else. I want to try a big flower. Little flowers can be difficult. So you're just going to basically just grab your pen, measure it about the size of your pen. All you do is just grab one, put it in the front. You got the front smaller end. Just wrap it carefully. Make sure this string doesn't wrap with it. If it does, it won't be good. That's a fact.
Thank God for spell check.
Sorry for the noise.
Alright, how do you spell that?
Sorry, some noise is on because we are in my home. Maintenance staff, so we're just going to wrap it like this, and then next thing, see how like it's coming together. So these wraps will actually contact the flower. Think out all of them. Don't pinch them too hard, like twist them like nicely. Take it off. Got one end, both ends. One's a looped in, one's a straight end that's coming out. This is how you get it in with our needle. Then you just tie it, and then you just tie it again. And all I do is tie these four times with the overhand knot. Then you're gonna fan these out a little bit, pull them out just a little bit, and sure to look even. Oh, now you got a little flower, kind of a medium flower. Then you just grab it, and you just tie it on. Then you just what you do is, please I have to trim some of these finished product will look like this, like you see in the time this video coming up. So I'm gonna show you the time lapse, and you can see what it looks like when it comes together.